Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list because first of all, I'd like to show you a way of blocking the number which we've got currently saved, and after that I'll show you another way. So after entering the contact list, just find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and now we have to tap on more, so the three dots icon. Now let's tap on block contact, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So let's simply tap on block, and as you can see here, we've got this tiny characteristic icon which shows us that this number has been blocked. Of course, we can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on this option, but let me leave it like this, because I'd like to show you that it will appear on the blacklist, which will enter in the second way. So here, it does not really matter whether it will be on the contacts, recents, or the keypad. We have to simply tap on the three dots icon right here. So let's tap on it and then tap on the settings. Right here at the top we've got block numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist with the contact we blocked in the previous way. So as we can see, it also works. Right here we can also tap on the contacts, and here we can mark a lot of them. So if we've got a lot of contacts to block, it is a better way to do it than manually. We can also block it from the recents, or tap on this section and easily enter the phone number. You can paste it if you've got it copied and tap on done, and finish just by tapping on this plus icon. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist, which again means that you will not receive calls or text messages. Here you've got also block spam and scam calls. Of course, you can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher right here, and then on the switcher under it, and you can customize it. It's up to you. And block calls from unknown numbers, just by tapping on the switcher you can activate it. So it's up to you whether it is useful or not. You can turn it off, and if you want to unblock the number, just tap on this minus icon and it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.